Tri-V Tool and Manufacturing Company was founded in 1984 by brothers Jim, John, and Dave Villadal. They came from backgrounds in tool and die and design, with a passion for excellence and that Midwestern work ethic that they passed on to each team member employed here. They understood that true precision comes not from the machine, but from the hand that guides it. Today, Tri-V is certified to the latest ISO 9001 standard. Tri-V has 2 modern facilities offering a total of 100,000 square feet of climate-controlled environment. Each facility is filled with a vast array of state-of-the-art equipment. Tri-V partners with you from concept to completion. Our engineers utilize a number of design programs to assist with your needs. Tri-V has vast experience in designing or reverse engineering to create the components you need. Tri-V specializes in custom, repeat, and production machining. Cutting-edge equipment such as Mazak Nexus machining centers with a 24-pallet Palatech system and Mazak Integrex multi-axis system offers extreme versatility, speed, and accuracy. Water jets with 5-axis cutting, Swiss machining, high-speed mills for hard cutting, and laser welding means Tri-V has the equipment to complete your projects. Tri-V partners with you, developing automated systems designed for repeatability and ease of use. By using customer drawings or sample parts, we develop jig systems and fixture systems for our customers' automation process. Tri-V has capabilities for both large volume and custom projects. We can fulfill your needs, producing small precision parts or larger requirements up to 150 inches by 50 inches by 50 inches. If turning is what you are looking for, we have you covered from Swiss turning up to 24-inch diameter with live tooling. Each part is precision made to exacting specifications. At Tri-V, we recognize that quality is integral in all we do. From our large programmable CMM to Keyence image inspection machines, you can expect your parts to be precise. If your project requires other quality information, Tri-V is versed in PPAP, capability studies, and root cause analysis, to name a few. Tri-V Tool and Manufacturing Company prides itself in the precision and quality of every piece we build. Our versatility, experience, and state-of-the-art technology is why Tri-V continues to exceed our customers' expectations. Contact us at 402-895-9000 or visit our website at tri-vtool.com.